Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Freetown exit on Highway 2000. This section of the road is also known as the PJ Patterson Highway. Now, before the road had two exits basically. Well, one exit, one entrance. So they are upgrading it now so you'll have two entrances and two exits. So basically you can get on the highway and head in any direction you want, and you can exit off the highway depending on any direction you're heading in, whether you're heading east or west. So this is a major upgrade, and it speaks volumes about how this area has grown and how the traffic that uses the highway has grown. So when the highway was first built, there were questions asked about would people pay toll to use roads in Jamaica? Well, the answer is yes, because this road makes millions upon millions of dollars profit every year just from the toll. As a matter of fact, the government through NROC owned 20% of this highway. And they recently did I don't know if it was an IPO or an APO, but the government sold their 20% stake in the highway for $12 billion. That's how profitable these roads are. Kind of have to ask the question, why don't we have more of these roads in the island? Why don't we have a toll road running right across or right around the island and north-south through the island? But we'll talk about that in another video. So this is the upgrade to the Freetown exit, and we are in Clarendon, just on the outskirts. Is this Clarendon or St. Catherine? No, Clarendon. Freetown is Clarendon, but we're very close to Old Harbour, which is St. Catherine. Alright, so this is actually a two-part video. This part of the video is showing this new exit ramp if you're heading from Maypen to Kingston. And part 2 of the video will be the other ramp that they're building. If you're heading from Kingston to Maypen, you can now exit on the highway. Now this area this Freetown area, the population has grown a lot, especially Old Harbour. So a lot more housing developments are along this road now, so that's why they're upgrading the highway. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated and look out for part 2 of the video where we show you the construction going on the other side. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.